Hi again, this is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos and A Car's Life, and I'm bringing you a phenomenal vehicle today. This is a 2003 Mercedes-Benz S55 AMG that is loaded to the hilt with every imaginable option, and it's a one-owner vehicle. I personally know the person who's owned this vehicle, and she has owned it since brand new and maintained it through Mercedes of Long Beach and of Las Vegas since she's owned it, and taken immaculate care of this vehicle. When you see the service history on this thing, it's literally unreal. She was able to always afford paying for whatever she needed to. So when she didn't like something, even something small, she had it taken care of. And this vehicle shows it. Absolutely immaculate paint all the way around on this vehicle. She's really done a great job keeping care of this vehicle. She also maintained it in the garage. It was never outside, whether it was in California or here. So she, when you look at this vehicle, you can tell that it's in pristine condition. When we walk around it, you'll see that. Let's take close-up looks on this car because the front end of this car is absolutely immaculate. Very, very little chips, if any. The hood has one repaired chip right there. You can see it. The bumper, the grille is incredible. The hood finish, absolutely incredible. The paint, no door dings. The headlights are beautiful in condition. Tires are like new, and those are Michelin Pilot Sports. Glass has very few little teeny road chips on it, very tiny. Hood is beautiful paint, beautiful finish. Wheels are serious upgrades. Again, you can see down the side of the vehicle. There's no door dings. And she's had all the recent services done on this vehicle. And when she contracted us to sell it for her, she also knew about our dry ice block cleaning that we do for undercarriages and engine bays. And this car has been dry iced underneath, all the suspension, everything. And it is absolutely beautiful, top to bottom. All the manuals, all the books, all the maintenance is still with the vehicle. The reason I have the car on because it's 110 degrees out here, and I'm going to be jumping back in this thing with that air conditioning under the hood. Absolutely great. Beautifully detailed, as you can see. Highly maintained. Under the hood is just as clean. You'll see detailed pictures of this car in the ad. And we don't miss a single inch when we take photos, because I'm the one taking the photos and the videos. So I make sure you see everything, including even the brake thickness, brake pad thickness on it. Inside, the car is absolutely gorgeous. All the wood application is in mint condition. Seats are beautiful. AMG sport seats. Carpets are absolutely gorgeous. Trying to keep those that way. Sunroof is great. And everything works. No cracks in the dash. Back seats have the shades. Interior in the back is in exceptional condition. Still looks like new. Carpets look like new. Seats look like new. In the trunk, which just opened up. It's in excellent condition. All your tools are in place. Jack and all the spares and everything like that. Oh, finally. It's really hot out there. $58,961 miles. Thank goodness for air-conditioned seats. That we're going to turn that up. There we go. They installed a Sony sound system in it that has rear view camera, It links to your phone and everything like that, which is really kind of cool. Air conditioning blows ice cold. All of your panels work. Lighting works. Lighting up there. Sunroof works. Let's see here. Has a lot of nice little features to it. Cup holder. And you can see the seats are in great shape. All the power features work. And this car has the card and the start feature on the push button there. And we got 2 sets of keys. Let's take this thing for a drive. Adjust the seat. My seatbelt. She was also a non-smoker. I'm going to turn down the fan so you can hear things a little bit better. I think I'll turn off the radio. You can also see when you put that in reverse, the backup camera. Let's go for a spin. Car performs meticulously. Super quiet with those Michelins on there. From what I can tell, and based on her service history, and that's recent as well, for the last few months actually, but I've known her. I mean, I've known her for a couple of years, but in the last year I've seen her take it in for services that it needed. And she didn't balk at anything. AMG with a supercharger has power. +400 horse. No slouch. When we put these on BringATrailer, we like to provide our clients with a massive amount of information, both historical, current, and images and video. So that's why we do this. And if you have any questions, we're always happy to, if we've missed something, find it out for you and get you that information. But I think if you review the pictures and the video, you'll probably see that we're pretty good at not missing anything. I want my clients to know the quality that they're getting, because we are seriously into extreme quality and vehicles that have been highly maintained by their owners. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment or privately message me. I'll be happy to help. Hope you enjoy the videos too. Enjoy making them. They're just informative. I'd like them to be a little more entertaining, but I'm the one doing everything. It makes it a little hard to have a full production. So enjoy while you can. Hope to talk to you guys soon, and hope the winning bidder really appreciates the quality that this vehicle shows. Till next time, we will bring you another great vehicle or vehicles